Hello everyone, welcome to my channel segment, Ask Me, and I'll try to answer. The information of this video are from Google search. Our topic for today is, can my account be reinstated after being disabled for invalid traffic? According to AdSense are willing to work with you to resolve any issues that you might have. If you feel that this decision was made in error, and if you can maintain in good faith that invalid traffic wasn't due to the actions or negligence of you or those for whom you are responsible, then you may appeal through AdSense Invalid Activity Appeal Form. When AdSense receive your appeal, they will do their best to inform you quickly and will proceed with appropriate action as necessary. Note that there is no guarantee that your account will be reinstated. After AdSense reach a decision on your appeal, further appeals may not be considered. So AdSense will not accept your second appeal if they did check your disabled account. This is where I got the reference of this video from Google search. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell of notification. See you next video. Bye.